The Ryobi W2400 industrial circular saw is simple, powerful, and efficient. It'll make bevel cuts, rip cuts, cross cuts, and plunge cuts. It's part of the premium range with high-end parts and mechanisms and an extended guarantee to back the heavy-duty design. It's designed for long-lasting cutting power with a massive 2,400 watt motor that drives the 230mm blade at 5,000 RPM. The saw weighs a solid 6.6 kgs and has a rigid cast aluminium base for accurate cuts. The base plate can be set for a maximum cutting depth of 85mm at 90 degrees and 65mm at 45 degrees. Adjustments are easily made using the clearly marked scales. The rubberized 45-degree handle and trigger with safety button make the saw safe, easy, and accurate to control, even when guiding it through larger cuts. Some other features include the 2-meter cord length and the adjustable straight guide. When it comes to servicing, it's made easy with changeable brushes and the blade lock button that allows you to make quick blade changes. Overall, a powerful, durable, and hard-working machine. Now, this is just one of the circular saws available at Builders. For more product reviews, visit the Builders website or check out the YouTube channel.